this activity. Start your paragraph. First of all, I want you to get in here. Clean. One or two people. Get in here. Two people. And then write on your topic. My occupation in the future. My occupation in the future. But you have to write about what you want to be and the reason why you want to be. First is what you want to be and the reason why. Example, this is my writing. Okay, this is my writing. So you can write down the reason why you want to be. Okay, and this is the example of this one. Write down your first name and your friend's name.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ